Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 552, that is student attendance record 2 and this, and attendance record for a student can be represented as a string where each character signifies whether a student was absent, late or present on that day, and the record can consist of only three characters. So that is A means that means absent, L means late, that he came to the school but he was late, and P means present, that he was there at the time when the attendance was being marked. Okay, and any student is eligible for an attendance award if they meet both of the criteria, that the student was absent total for less than 2 days, and student was never late for more than for 3 or more consecutive days. Okay, and we are given an integer n, and we have to return the number of possible attendance records for length n that make a student eligible for the attendance reward. And as the answer might be very large, so we have to return its modulo. Okay, for example, we are given n equal to 2, so there are 8 possible records with which we can have the student eligible for the award, that is both P, AA, PA, LP, and so on. This forms up to 8 eligible like the strings. So the answer comes out to be 8. Note, we cannot use 2 A's because it will not be available, because it's not valid, because in that case the student will not be eligible for the award. Okay. And let's firstly start with having the mod, that is int mod. Let's have 1e9 plus 7 and okay, plus 7, and then let's just typecast it into int. Okay, and now what I'll be having, okay, just give me a second. Okay, then what we'll be having is we'll be having a DP array, which will be a 3 DP in our case, because we are having three kinds of choices, that is student might be present, absent, or late. Okay, so for that we'll be having int of size firstly n plus 1, then he can have maximum of 2 absents and a maximum of 3 lates, and n plus 1 just to make it 1 based mixing. Okay, and then we'll be filling the DP array with minus 1. So for int I, which will be a 2D array in DP, then for int j, that will be a single array in 2D array, that, and we'll be using arrays dot fill j comma minus 1. Okay, and then we'll be returning the function, that is, let's say, find all possible, no, not find all, maximum awards. Okay, and then we'll be passing our n. Initially my number of people who are absent are 0, initially my number of people who are late are also 0, and my DPI. Okay, so now let's quickly write the function, that will be private int maximum awards. Okay, awards. In this I'll be having int n, int absent, and int late, and the 3D DP array. Okay, okay, and then what I'll be doing is that if absent is greater than or equal to 2, or my late is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, and that case I have to return 0. Then what I have to check is that if my n becomes 0, n is equal to 0, then again I have to return minus 1. Oh sorry, plus 1. That means, yeah, that string will be counted. And then if dp of n absent and late is not equal to minus 1, I have to return this as well, return dp of n absent late. Okay, and then let's have a variable count, that is initially 0, and then we'll be calling the recursive function again with count. I'll be adding the count with find maximum awards. I'll be passing n minus 1, and I'll be not changing the absent, so my absent will be as it is. And let's say the person is not late, and I'll be doing a mod of it. Mod. Okay, now there are this changes which I need to make in this particular line only. So I'll be just copying thrice. N minus 1 will always be there because this day will be counted. And let's say the student becomes absent for 1 day. So what I'll be doing is I'll be increasing the absent count by 1. And here let's say the student becomes late by 1 day. So here we'll be increasing the late count. Okay. And now at the end we have to return my dp of n absent and okay, late will be equal to my count. Okay, and now let's quickly give it a run. Okay, so it says cannot be applied to given types. Oh, okay, I forgot to pass in dp array, comma D. Now let's run it again. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.